3 steps होती हैं. Yes, there are 3 steps which make your letter to editor different, distinct and exclusive. And you can score full 5 marks in class 12 English board examination. And for English paper, every mark matters. So Study Track has brought a video for you to tell you about 3 distinct steps to make the content of your letter to editor exclusive. So let's find out. We have taken the example from this year's latest CBSE sample paper. तो देखते हैं कि पेपर में कौन सा क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है.
Question number 8 in the question paper reads like this. You are Shubha, residing in Subhadra Apartments, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. You have observed with increasing concern that garbage collection continues to be done without segregation in your neighborhood. Write a letter to the editor of the Real Times Bhubaneswar in about 120 to 150 words explaining your concern along with the rationale behind the importance of garbage segregation. Suggest ways in which the RWAs can participate in this program. Now, this question carries 5 marks. You have to use the following points: analysis, using appropriate format and fluency, and appropriacy of style and tone. You have to write this letter. इस लेटर के कंटेंट को डेवलप करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से समझना पड़ेगा. तो हमने क्वेश्चन को पढ़ा और हमने समझा कि 3 things are focused in this question.
Your content should include all these 3 things. First thing is that you have to show a concern over garbage collection without segregation. Segregation का मीनिंग होता है अलग करना, ड्राई और वेट कचरे को अलग करना. तो वहां पर ड्राई और वेट कचरा अलग नहीं किया जाता है, इस पर आपको कंसर्न शो करना है. Then you have to tell the rationale behind the importance of garbage segregation. Means इसका क्या importance है वो भी आपको कंटेंट में इंक्लूड करना है. इसके अलावा आपको you have to suggest ways in which RWRs can participate in this program. जब आप ये तीनों पॉइंट्स पर फोकस करेंगे तब आपका जो कंटेंट है वो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बनेगा. तो आइए देखते हैं कि हम किस तरह से इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को इंक्लूड करते हुए एक लेटर लिख सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ लेटर टू एडिटर. वो तो आप सभी जानते हैं. तो लेट्स वेरी क्विकली look at on left hand side. Suppose this is the margin. So on left hand side, first we have to write the sender's address. Who is the sender here? The sender's address is given in the paper. Sender's address दिया हुआ है Subhadra Apartment, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Now we have added this word 15 here and we have made the address. After writing the sender's address, the next thing is date. उसके बाद हम date लिखेंगे. हमने डेट लिखी, जो उस दिन का पेपर है उस दिन की आप डेट लिखिए. उसके बाद यू हैव टू राइट द रिसीवर्स एड्रेस. रिसीवर्स एड्रेस होगा द एडिटर. नेम ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर इज गिवन इन द पेपर, द रियल टाइम्स. और उसके बाद अ वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक कमिटेड बाय क्लास 12th स्टूडेंट्स इज दैट दे आर राइटिंग ए वेरी लॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट. बट रिमेंबर, अ लॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट रिटन इन लेटर टू एडिटर. इट शुड बी अ सजेस्टिव टाइटल. Suggestive in the sense you are trying to give a title to your letter which should suggest what is going to be the content of your letter. So for this particular letter we can write a suggestive title like this. Promote effective waste management. This can be one of the suggestive titles for this letter. अब हम लेटर के कंटेंट पर आते हैं. अब हम सैल्यूटेशन लिखेंगे. सैल्यूटेशन will be sir. Will not put comma anywhere. You can see all these letters are falling in one line only. This type of alineation you have to follow for writing. Your first sentence also should start from here only. Now in order to make your content very exclusive, you have to start in a very unique manner. Normally आप किस तरह से letter start करते हैं? You are writing through the columns of your newspaper. I want to draw your attention towards this problem. I won't suggest you this. You should start from a striking sentence, and that will make a difference. So you have to describe the problem, and your opening should be very striking. Let us see how we can start it in this particular example. We have written the subject, Make Waste to Wealth a Reality, which is also a suggestive title. Now we can start the letter like this. It is disdainful that waste segregation and waste has received a setback in my posh neighborhood due to apathy and negligence of the people. So-called literate neighbors and staff dump the dry and wet waste together in spite of so many promotion campaigns. All public awareness programs seem to have fallen on deaf ears. So we have started the letter, and the first thing in the content which we have done is describe the problem. You will follow this pattern, then your letter content will be comprehensive and it will become exclusive. You have to follow such pattern in which the ideas must flow from one topic to another topic, from one point to another point. And in this way, in the end, you should be able to give some original suggestions in your answer. So now we have described the problem. Now let us come to the next aspect which is asked in the question, that is rationale for waste segregation. Now let us come to the next paragraph in which we will talk about the rationale for this. So we will write, waste segregation basically means keeping wet and dry waste separately so that dry waste can be recycled and wet waste can be composted. The primary objective of waste management is to avoid its adverse impact on health and environment. Segregation of wet waste will help biodegradable and organic fraction separate, and segregation of dry waste will help incinerators to produce more energy. So in this way, in the second paragraph, we have discussed the rationale for waste segregation. Now, the last paragraph we will write about how to promote people for this. So in this section, we are going to give our original suggestions. This is only required for class 12th students because they are looking for your original suggestions, and this adds value to your letter. Now we have come to the last paragraph in which we are going to suggest the original suggestions for improving the situation. So it can be written like this. We can form the group of like-minded people who can explain waste segregation to family and neighborhood. Separate storage drums should be made available at various points in the apartment, and defaulters should be fined. These steps can slowly promote the awareness, and I hope you can end your letter with this statement. I hope this letter of mine would trigger the required initiative. Then you have to end your letter with yours sincerely. The spelling of sincerely should be correct. Apostrophe S will not come with yours. And then the name is written Shubha. So in this way you have to write a letter to editor. So the 3 steps which we were talking in the beginning of this video were that your content should include the following things. The content, the first thing it should be that you should describe the problem. Whatever problem is given in the question paper, you have to first, in the first paragraph, you have to describe the problem. Then your idea should move from here, and then the next paragraph you should talk about the cause and effect. What are the causes of the problem and what is the effect of this problem? If any other thing is asked in the question paper, like in this question, the rationale was asked. So you have to focus on that and you have to talk about this. You can use various connectors to join your sentences. Then in the end, you have to give your original suggestions. Original suggestions to solve the problem or to rectify the problem. So if you will follow this 3 steps, then you can make your content of your letter to editor very comprehensive, and surely you are going to get full marks in the board examination. The letter to editor is checked on 2 parameters, content and expression. So in the content, these things should be there, and in expression we will see the format as well as correct English. So there should not be any tense mistake or spelling mistakes in your letter. So I hope with this video you will be able to score more in your class 12 board examination. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Study Track for such type of videos.